What's going on? How we doing? There's a mess. I didn't even look at it. Just threw my hat on. Tony, what's up? Paul, what's going on? SMT, how we doing? Rob, what's up? I feel like my voice cancellation like on. This. I feel like I can like hear myself. Usual. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Let me change the. Morning, Josh. How was your weekend, guys? I'm a little confused. So these are my eval accounts. I have my live accounts up, but they both have money in them from Friday, and I don't really want to trade them unless there's like a really good setup. But if I go left on these, you'll see one is a pro account. This last one. I guess I have to do that part. So the last one is the pro account. This guy. But it's supposed to auto from the pro account to the pro plus account. But it's still here. So, oh, you know what? Let me double check before open if I can. It just says it's active. There's no way for me to do it. I wasn't sure if it, but I didn't remember doing it in the past. But I thought the pro account is supposed to immediately go on hold and transfer to the pro plus account. But as of right now, it's still a pro account. So I was like, do I just give it a day? See, you know, like I don't know. I thought it was automatic the last few evaluations that I passed. Like right after it went to the pro account, it put it on hold immediately, so you couldn't even trade it. Maybe it's worth shoot him a message too. All right. All of a sudden, right before the open, I found a bunch of things that I needed to do that I totally forgot to do. This. There we go. All right, that's done. Let me pull this back in. Well, let me make this smaller so I'm not taking up as much of the screen. Nice little move down here at the open. Where are we? I honestly have not even looked at the chart yet. Okay, we're up. Up. Huh? So we're up on the day thus far. Did we fill the gap? No, we're actually trying to right now. Look. Gap is all the way down under low a day. Let's draw a line real quick. High of this candle is 306. Let's do this. 306. So that is the gap fill. Keep that on it. So it's right above yesterday's close as well. It won't automatically switch from Pro to Pro Plus. Advancement in Pro Plus is based on a comprehensive. I'm already in Pro. Oh. Alright, so we do need to pass these. Do we take a little trade right before they open? Scared. This thing might just dump. We're gonna.
Order working.
I was gonna say we're gonna try it.
Order filled.
Snagged me in there. At 2 minutes till the open. I was looking for a quick little trade before the open. I'm not gonna try to make all this. I have 2 up in the. Oh, nice. All right, grabbed us right before it shot back down. It's a little whippy. We'll leave it alone until the open now. If you're already in the Pro Plus program, your Pro account won't auto change into Pro Plus. The Pro Plus account is created as part of the upgrade process, and the setup typically takes several days. Once all required onboarding steps agreements, once the upgrade to Pro Plus is complete, all future trading and withdrawals must be done via the Pro Plus account only. Apparently there's a whole section. All right, I'll have to read this later. I'll have to read that later. Josh, good morning. Trader NQ, good morning. By the way, the new website is live. I'm only telling you guys here on stream because I'm doing more of like a soft launch, just to make sure everything's working. So if you're already buying accounts using my code, it's right above my head. You can see the website. That is where you would go to get some rewards for doing so, if you so choose. If you would like to just continue using my code and not worry about that stuff, then you can also do that too, and I appreciate that. Here we go. We got about 30 seconds till the open. All right, here we go. Assuming we're gonna fill this gap. Got a feeling. Gerald, good morning.
Order filled.
Damn. I wish I would have got that ad. It's okay. That would have been a beautiful ad. We might go straight for that gap fill. Told you it wants that gap fill. Yeah, me and Brayden did some cool dunks last night. If you guys want to go watch those at some point today. Brayden, everyone might be a little busy because the market just opened, but I'm hesitant to get in here because I have a feeling we're gonna go fill the gap.
Order filled.
All right, we're pretty much at the gap fill here.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. Let's go. Let's go. Just scalping, scalping, scalping. Oh my god, if I hit the wrong button one more time. Alright, coming back down. Trying to hold that gap close. They're not busy. They keep me up in the background, bro. So like they're trading, but listen to me. Some of them watch as well, like if they have multiple screens. Nice pop there. Yeah, well, now we sit and wait. Yeesh. Held that, I told you, we came, filled that gap. Came and filled that gap, and then go boom. I might actually do something a little silly here. What is it? What's this one? Wow. I was going to look to get in long, but I was waiting for a pullback. Just nothing.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Oh, I wish it would have gave me the pullback. Fuck.
Six, seven!
Well, that kind of sucks. It made the move I wanted already. I don't know if now I feel like we're in no man's land. The continuation of that move is what I was looking for. Don, good morning. Yeah, I mean, this could continue back up. This could do whatever it wants. So I'm not really. All right, be right back.
Order filled.
Aha. Need to clean my desk. Just sitting here waiting, guys. You must have really do while we're chilling in the middle here. If that would have kept running up, we would have been in business, but we did not. This looks really strong, like it wants to go higher. They pull back to 450 and hold. I might have tried this, but I'm not gonna chase it. It's too far. I mean the range is too much. Well, now I don't necessarily like it. I wanted to pull back just like right away, just like a little dip and then rip. But I mean, it still might. But I don't like that it ran and tried to go through and didn't, and now it failed. But I'm just gonna chill. Assuming it's Adam. What's going on, man? Waiting for 28,380. Yeah, I mean that's honestly probably the better bet, right? Fake out lower and then boom, rip it. Honestly, though, I mean, if you're looking to get into a trade around here, I feel like you almost have to use low a day as your stop. That's tough. That is it's a big range. Damn, look at now go. Nice little gap up from them too. Yeah, let me see if I can roll forward on this shit. Let's go. Might finally get out of these trades. Damn, yeah. Could roll up to 30 days, but I'd have to go up to 110. The chart looks good. Fuck it. I can always roll back again.
Brother, ugh.
There is zero volume on this contract. assuming it's the third. Zero volume on that one. The third week. That would add another 14 days. If I go to
That don't make
week,
no sense.
I get to this month.
Pussy.
I'd have to go up to 113. Which shit, I mean, we're starting to get a little too close there, unless we just start running. That's only 25 days. Maybe I just give it. In theory, what are we at now? We're at 456. 60. I could get out of this for essentially break even and just move on. Let's see, where were we? 600. We're actually up $20 if I were to get out right now after all the rolling. When we first got in this trade. Wait, let me check the account history here. When did we first get in this? Like April. I was buying Tesla calls? What the heck? Oh, that was the last thing from that $100 challenge thing. It was after this. Okay. Now, okay, here it was. No. I was selling. Okay, here it was. June 1st. All right, so where were we
7.
on June 1st? Highest we were on the account was 14.6, and now we're at 14.6.
He needs some milk.
Okay, here's June 1st. Let's just do year to date. All right, so June 1st we were at 4. So we're actually up. All right, actually up a couple $100 in the trade. Is that true? Let's see. Does I have 431? Well, I guess yeah, because other stuff's probably up. So I'd have to sell this under 430, and it's currently at 456. So I could just take like a $20 loss and move on. Crazy. But then I'm gonna be mad if this thing just keeps ripping. Let's see how the day plays out. See how the day plays out. Yeah, I agree, Adam. That would have been too much. Why not follow ES, Mr. NASDAQ, Dakistan? What's the ES doing? Oh, whoa, ES is ripping. Yeah, it's trying to follow. Building a bit of a ascending triangle here. You guys want to look at it that way? The heck was that? Got one of those. Got one of those forming. Broke above that area. I mean, where's it go? Another one. See what it does at 120s. we go, breaking above that area. Hoping for more of a push there. Come on, baby, rip it. Hey, speaking of that, I wonder how Alpine and Nutty are doing. Oh, Alpine's not even live. Okay, check Nutty. He's red on Take Profit Trader evals, but green on Lucid and Tradeify. Hasn't traded the Apex PAs. Need to see an extension candle here. I mean, we still got a whole 120 points till the highs, so. Dang, look at this go. Need it to rip more if I want to get in this. Beep. Oh, 10 o'clock candle. That sucks. I wish the 10 o'clock candle would have went the other way.
Six, seven! Well, I don't really know what to do here. Would have been nice if we got the extra push, but all right, coming back to that range, we can actually get rid of this candle or this line. I mean, well, honestly, we'll see if it extends, right? See if we can bounce, make this previous resistance, turn it into support. Honestly, I hope it does because we have no trade if we start coming back down here. So for anybody else, if you haven't heard, LSJM, what's going on? Good morning. Right above my head, Gonzalez, good morning. Right above my head, I changed the website. Looks like I need to move that a little. It's not quite centered. If you guys were already using code VOLA to sign up, now you can be rewarded for it. Or if you want to just keep using code VOLA without it, that's fine too. Website above me, go check it out. You can get basically 2% back as reward points. You can save those reward points up and cash them in for a gift card. So completely up to you if you want to do it, but it's there now. You guys are the first ones to hear about it. You guys are I'm using the stream and my Discord as more of like a soft launch just to make sure everything's working correctly. And then once I know everything's working, we'll go into the masses of trying to get some other people in there. But feel free to check it out. Let me know if you see anything crazy, yada yada. Oh yeah, guys, give each other your referral codes because I'm never gonna use it, so it doesn't really matter to me. Here, I guess I'll give Donald mine so that he gets the extra 50. And then we can go, you guys can go from there. Yeah, if you refer somebody, it gives you an extra 50 points. All right, there is my referral code. So if you sign up using that, you should be good to go. You'll get the extra 50. All right. There you go. Yeah, use Donald's. I don't get anything for it, so you use Donald's, it'll at least give him the extra 50. You should get an email too if someone uses your referral code, because I just got it. HedgeCad, I know who that is. Oh, I have a question. Um. Oh, it's, Pop acid. After. Talk to mommy. Bunch. We use your code, is it automatically logged, or do we need to upload a receipt? No, the code is automatically. Oh, you mean when you buy the account? You always have to upload a receipt. That's my way of seeing it on the website, and then I verify it via their websites. Like I have to go into my affiliate portal and verify the receipt. Ugh, I should have. Well, they now is coming back down. I was hoping it got above 120 and kept going. I wanted it to stay above this 118 area. All right, still having a good day. Hopefully, it just doesn't close red. That'd be a real bummer. I didn't know if the firm shows you who has used your code. Some, so that's the thing. Some do, some don't. Some show email, some show order number, some show all that stuff. So like, That's why I ask for all of it, so that depending on which firm it is, I can cross-reference and figure it out. Because as of right now, until I figure out how each of them work, I have to go back and forth with, or I have to do that part manually. But until the site grows, it's not that big of a deal. All right. The real Donald, it says it is not found. Did he put? Oh. Yeah, make sure you copy paste it. You should be able to copy paste it, I think. Yeah, there's a copy button right next to it. He earned for mine, and then it looks like someone else signed up, which I'm assuming was LSJN. Huh? I went to go look at your dunks. That's possible too. There you go. They were just watching your dunks. Donald, did you Don, did you try LSJNs? Like, does it say that for his too? Or did you try his again? Just out of curiosity. I mean, we've actually been holding this this line pretty well. I mean, obviously previous resistance being used as support. Man, look at this. We've been holding this trend line. I'm not a huge fan of trend lines, but there is one there. There's no denying that. If anything, I much prefer this line. All right, trying to get above. Honestly, I just like the backboard. The way it just popped up and came from behind and boom. Trying to scavenge views from my stream. Go watch his videos. Here, I'll watch them. Here you go. If you guys aren't subscribed, go do it. I know most of you already are. These are the ones that we did. Let's see. Put the so I don't know. I'll have to figure that out later, but Chrome audio isn't working. Don't you talk to me that way. Is it? So I'll say this one was actually really hard because the ball was kind of flat. So to bounce it 3 times like that, if I would have put more air in the ball, it would have went pretty easily, I feel. I had to throw that.
Why would I get a job when I can live with my mom? I'm a chud, that little chud. Why would I get a job when I can live with my mom? I'm a chud. 5th grade, here we come. 5th grade, here we come. 5th grade, here we come. 5th grade.
Throw a lot, let me show you how to move. Let me show you how to move. That bad, you ain't never coming last. Throw a lot, let me show you how to move. Let me show you how to move. That bad, you ain't never coming last.
First try.
Yeah, look how easy that bounced. We need to put some more air in that thing. Yeah, I remember that one. Forgot about that. The golf shot. That was hard. That get under it. The one where I was hitting it with my golf club.
First try.
You didn't see. This one right here. That one took us a while.
First try. First try.
That's a good one. I like it. All right. Anyways, back to the chart. Yeah, oh, look, you got a bunch. 6 people. Oh, it's dead. Where'd they go? He's on his way to 100. He's getting there. Oh, stop it. I was the first subscriber. For some reason on the activity list on his thing, it says I just recently subscribed, but I don't know why, but it's lying. I've been subscribed. When I subscribed to him, I think it was around like 1 million, maybe 2. I was subscribed to him pretty early on. $1 million, yeah, a little different. All right, coming up the high day. I remember coming across him. He did a giveaway video. I can't remember what it was. Yeah, it wasn't a lot. And I just remember, and then I went and watched all his. Thought that they were pretty cool because that wasn't his first giveaway video. It was, he had a bunch of them at that point, and no one else was doing those. And I thought it was pretty cool. Seems that way. What? And one. Rumo! What's going on, Rumo? How was your weekend? You're short? 28, 639. That's dangerous, man. It's dangerous. And being short here. This looks very bullish. I hope you're right. Well, actually, I don't. Well, I don't want to root against you, but if I'm going to get a trade, I need it to go higher. So I can, but my strategy, the one that I think I have high odds on winning, is I need a big move one way or the other. And if we get a big move to the downside, we're in the middle of all this stuff, and I don't like trading in the middle. So I want it to just be all the way up or all the way down. A lot easier to trade. Huh? Well, I know, because if it's extended one way, the odds are it's going to pull back. So I'm counting on that. But if it's in the middle, you don't know which, like, you have almost no idea. But if it is, but yeah. So you're trying to figure out the best way of at least knowing where it's going to go temporarily. So like, if you wake up in the morning, I know that you're probably going to walk down the stairs, not up the stairs, right? You're gonna. That's what I'm saying. So you're just playing an odds game. Sure, could you stay in your room all day and never come down the stairs? Yes, that's possible. But the odds are you're gonna walk down the stairs. So that's all I'm doing is. Zishan, I am not proud of you because you still probably nonstop scrolled TikTok, which is the real problem. Not the fact that you're posting it in the Discord. It's the fact that you're doing it. You need to do something better. Your feet will probably be bigger than mine. Hey man, I full port every trade but can't figure out why I keep blowing accounts. Come on, man. You know exactly. if that's a true statement, you know exactly what you're doing. Are those, well, they're walking, running. So when you're, it feels like you're on like a pillow, basically. You can't play basketball on that. Like if you go to cut, the whole bottom of the shoe like tries to turn. Well, I'm screwing my shoes, man. Hold on. Will you please stop? Or at least take it out? I'm trying to work. I'm trying to actually pay attention. What was your question? Chat rate? That means how long, how often people are talking per minute. Which is yeah, probably. I don't mind it though because we're all trying to concentrate, make money. I can still see it over here. I'm doing something else at the moment for the website that I noticed. It's not broken, but it's doing something that I don't think it's supposed to be doing. I'm checking.
my shoulder and make me feel like I'm the one. So go and cry on my shoulder so you can find someone but me to hold you. Let's just say our last goodbye, but now you can lay down for a while and cry on my shoulder so you can find someone but me to hold you, dear.
This is a bit disappointing. The regard to this move up. 500, 540 retest area was easy to see. They used that price action to clear out any positions that were not committed long. You would need to risk 50 points to catch that move. Yeah, that's the problem with a lot of these is you have to risk so much.
Let's just say our last goodbye, but now you can lay down for a while and cry on my shoulder so you can find someone but me to hold you, dear.
Man, this move is just chilling, huh? Marbles. Yeah, we can do that. Let me I'll just finish this up for the website real quick. I noticed something that I needed to change. I just pushed it, so I'm just letting it finish. Plus, we're actually making a decent move here. Push away from 700. Cool. So I need more people to sign up on the website for me to see if that worked, but as of right now, good to go. Yep. If you haven't signed up yet, fight for codes. Fight for codes. Tell your friends. Yeah, I want to do like a soft launch. I want to see some of you guys actually put some receipts in, stuff like that before I start going any further with it. Okay, okay. Picking up a little speed here on this candle. I can't trade unless we get the extension. I mean, we're just grinding higher. Desi actually did market open live today, public. I guess he is looking to expand. Interesting. Desi seems like a cool dude, but his intentions sometimes seem a little off. That's funny. Kid spelled out Nutella, staring at the bottle, and then the dad asks, "What's it spell?" And he says, "Peanut butter." It's funny. Later, Zishan. Yeah, honestly, really feeling being here like at all. This is kind of a joke.
I have so many tabs open, it's ridiculous. This community was the first community I joined around COVID time. He isn't too bad, but he doesn't make the majority of his money day trading. Yeah. Well, that's kind of what I meant by saying his intentions. Can I get one more person to sign up on the website if you haven't already? You don't ever have to use it, and it doesn't ask for anything personal, yada yada. But I just want to see if it fixed my issue. Jason, you'd be perfect. I don't think you signed up. You don't have. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just seeing if this thing I found is now fixed. Doing it. Thank you, Gerald. Use one of the codes up there if you want. Jason, it happens that way a lot, where you end up meeting people inside the communities because you are the ones that are actually there for the right reasons, right? So you end up like linking outside of like that person itself. That's actually how I met Steve, otherwise known as VIP Cleaners, and Liz. Looks complicated? No, see, that's the thing. It's supposed to be absolutely not complicated. Thanks, Cheryl. Let me check it. If you go to my account too, if you signed up with an email that wasn't Google, it'll ask you to verify. Sweet. Okay, it worked. It worked. Thank you, Gerald. What looks difficult about it, Jason? The whole point of this was for it to not be difficult.
All right, Donald. I might not do it at all, to be completely honest, but kind of just feeling like I want to get out of here. I mean, but the chart is kind of egging me on here. Should have just went long, I guess. Would have been done both these evals.
Order filled. Order working.
Seems about right. Finally get in and it'll just go. I don't want to add too quick, obviously. Especially if we're just going to grind. The way this market's going, it's more just survival.
Order working. Order filled.
Yeah, I was going to jump in on this one too. Oh.
Order working.
If we can just get this, that'd be nice. It'd be $400 or so. Move us that much closer. Not trying to be greedy here. Especially after it just kind of grinded like that. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is it really gonna tease me, man? Come on. It's gonna tease me, isn't it? Dude, it's every time. It's every time. It's every time, man. Sure, I could have got out, but it's an eval. I'm looking to actually make money to pass the eval, and it's like every time it comes down, it's just a tease, man. Every time. Now we break 800. Laughs at me. I should have took one off at least. Smart me would have taken one off. So dumb. So whose code do I use now? It don't matter. Whoever's. There's a few in the chat, so. No, these aren't pro accounts. These are evals. I'm trying to get them back to the pro accounts. Just needed a little bit more of a pullback there. So frustrating. It's trying to reject, which I guess is a good thing, but it's probably just going to reject to that same point if it does, which I will then at least take one off. Now it's going to bounce off my average. That's funny. It's literally going to bounce off my average. What a joke, man. Gotta hit the buy button, not the sell button today. Come on. Literally right off my average. Couldn't just get this candle to come that little bit further. Ridiculous. Oh, it's just gonna, it's sitting here holding it. This is crazy. Look at it. It's literally bouncing right off my average. Come on, just one shot down. Nope. Nope. Right off the average, dude. It's crazy. Every time. This is gonna shoot higher. Can't make it up. Can't make it up. Can't make it up. All it has to do is break right there, and we probably go all the way back down to 750. But it won't, because I'm in it. All right, over here. Get ready for the 800 break and push away, and we'll... Blah, 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 blah. Just do it, man. You already know you want to.
You're just grinding. So annoying. Come tease me one more time. A joke. It's literally just laughing at me at this point. It's just laughing at me. Yes. Getting there. Usually not done until around 11:30. But today has been kind of slow. Just laughing. Literally laughing. The market's laughing at me. You hear it? It is. Because it keeps coming down to my break-even average and just bouncing off of it. It won't go back below it. Yeah, it's been going up all morning. Well, I didn't guess at all. Just I did make some money. Well, I made money on an evaluation account, but right now I'm losing that money unless it comes back down a little bit. What? Remember how I was talking about when it extends one way? Well, it did that, so I was counting on it to pull back a little bit before it continued, but doesn't want to. I feel like if we can break this 80 area now, though, we should get our fill. Because it's tried to hold a bunch here. If we can fail, we should get a nice little pullback, probably down to like 750. Honestly, like I might even just drag this down just to see if we get the whipsaw. But we got to break this first, right? And it doesn't seem like it wants to. It's just going sideways. And of course, our average is right at the bottom of it. On, at least try. This feels like it's either just gonna shoot down or shoot up. I don't think we're just gonna keep making these little candles sideways here. Well, obviously hoping it shoots down. But with how the morning's gone, I highly doubt it. And it's at my EMA, so I'm assuming it's already messing with other EMAs too. That already solved? Oh, it's damn funny. Yeah. Yeah. If you're hungry. Okay. I have no idea. Might just be in with mom, I don't know. What a joke, man. What an actual joke. Look at this. Literally right off the average again. Like, why can't it just dump a little first? This is going right back up. Geez, now is actually red on the day now. That's crazy. Just break, man. Go. This looks like it wants to break now. That was a nice rejection. Come on, just go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one off and see if we can't get the extra here. This one.
Order filled.
Take it. All right. Up 12.55 on that one. So we only need an extra 2.45. Had I just held the other one, we would have already been there. But the way that that one was treating me, I'm just glad to get out of that one alive, to be honest. That was not a fun one to be in. You still use VOLA, Jason. Everything is still VOLA. It's just you then take your receipt after you sign up and just under my account on the website, you just fill out the little form and that's it. Easy peasy. ZOG, what's going on, man? Yeah, everything's still using VOLA. I'm basically just giving you guys a percentage of what I make in reward points, which then you can then redeem for a gift card. So it may or may not be what it sounds like, but a loophole. And until they fix it, I might as well do what I can to keep people. Like if Wawa was here, he'd be a perfect example of why I'm doing it. Because he stopped using my code to use these other websites' codes because of the rewards. So, well, at least it came down and let me out first, right? I gotta thank the market for that one. Could have made the rest of my day a little. I could have been a little pissy, but I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. I'm gonna give this like another couple minutes, but then probably gonna get out of here. Sounds like they just took the money out of the other accounts. Or, well, they just started the process of taking the money out of the... Holy crap, yeah, we're up a lot. We dipped at the open to 311, and we're at 805. 500 points. It's crazy. All right, we'll do the 3 races. We'll do it. I was just being lazy. Yeah, I gotta grab this stuff for it. And then after marbles, I'm gonna get out of here. Of course, now we're gonna pull back, but oh well. Have you used the sim yet? Oh yeah, a bunch. I even went and shot on Saturday. I shot at 86. I double bogeyed the first 2 holes. I ended up shooting at 86. You know how often TPT updates balance, or is it only at the end of day because wanted to withdraw but not showing up? So it updates the so in order to withdraw, I have to log in at like it's around 8:30, 9 o'clock Eastern PM. So I have to log in at night to withdraw. That's when that's when their system updates for you to withdraw. Now that is the Pro Plus accounts. I don't know if it changed with the Pro accounts, but I know it's for sure after 6 o'clock because their system rotates from 5 to 6 to the next day, and then that's what gives you the option to withdraw. Mine personally, the Pro Plus accounts, it doesn't give me the option to withdraw until around 8:30, 9 o'clock Eastern at night. All right. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Don't type it twice. Machado, don't type it. You already typed it. If you do by accident, I'll fix it. Yeah, 2 minutes. Get them in. Exclamation point marbles. I've been trying to work on my rotation and my swing and did terrible last time out. Yeah, when I got onto the range, when I was on the range to start warming up, dude, I was hosel rocketing everything. And I couldn't figure out why. I was either hosel rocketing or hitting it fat. And I couldn't figure it out. But then I went back to pull another, I was like, all right, because it was the 60 degree. I usually hit the 60 degree great. And that's usually just how I warm up. So I walked back and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to hit driver for a little bit first and see what happens. And sure enough, I walk back to the bag and I look back at where I'm hitting to see all the chunks that I took out of the grass. And I kid you not, I noticed that I was hitting on a decline. And I couldn't, when I was sitting there flat, guys, don't type it twice. What are you doing? I couldn't tell that I was on that downslope. It just seemed flat. So I was hitting behind the ball or before my club fully rotated that little bit extra. And that's why I was literally, and so I moved up to where I could definitely see it was flat and I started hitting it okay. It still doesn't take away from the fact that I double bogeyed the first 2 holes, but yeah. All right, you got, oh, it's over. I was going to say you got a little time left, but order is set. I like it this way because then you guys can't get mad at me. You had your 2 minutes. You got in or you didn't. That's on you. All right, here we go. Run this 3 times and I'm out of here. Guys, you can stop typing it. Oh, Tony, you didn't get it. I'm sorry, dude. The rules be the rules. You can appreciate that. Guys, your 2 minutes is up. What is that name? Bruno Aprilia Market Navigator. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, all you guys hit the like button. I appreciate that. Again, getpropfirmrewards.com is up and live. Make sure you still use code VOLA to sign up. It says it right there on the website. And then upload your receipts when you do. And let's get it cracking. We got 9 firms. Well, technically it's only 8. Apex has a big no-no in their contract. Take Profit Trader technically does too, but Take Profit Trader lets me keep their name on the site. I just can't give you any points back when you sign up with them. Everybody else is good to go. We got Tradeify, Traders Launch, Lucid, E8, Funded Seat, Funded Next, Fidius, and Trade Day are all on there. I will look to add more if things start to take off, because why not? But yeah, that's where we currently stand with that. What's the face for, Trader NQ? I don't even know. What kind of face is that? Looks like he's got a golf club. Is that what that is? Ever back in the house? What's up, dude? You still trade equities? Or no? Blueskin. ZOG. If anybody does make the end on the 3rd run, we'll keep going. I'll do it today. I don't mind. So it's not crossing the bridge anymore because we got too many people, but it's if you get to the final stretch. Unlike ZOG just did. It's in the dishwasher. I cleaned it last night. Yeah, I'm the one that washes the dishes. What? 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 All right. Attempt number 2. Market's just flopping back and forth at the moment. Can't figure out what it wants to do. Gonzalez first one up. Guys, real quick intermission. Check out this picture. Hold on. Showing you guys that. Look how young he is. That's from 7 years ago. 7 years ago. I kind of look the same, huh?
Gay!
Yo. Happy, yes, very. And now he's slamming buckets. Now he's slamming buckets on the door. Market going back up. Yeah. Ooh, Rob. Rob gonna try to use his good looks. And it worked. Rob used his good looks and it worked. Come on, Rob. Nobody better, buddy. Nobody better. How's the bot doing? Honestly, I haven't been using it as much. Oh, and he's got the speed. Not in a good way, though. Not in a good way. He had the kind of speed where the girl's like, "Are you done?" Question mark. All right. I actually, somebody asked me for it, and I gave them access to it. I don't know if I don't know. But I mean, it does well. I mean, just backtest and look at every time it hits the 3x bands. What happens? Does it come back? I mean, there's one right there at the open. What is? Oh yeah, that. Remember we had that line drawn and it landed right on it. Pretty crazy, right? But yeah, I mean, you can backtest and look. But yeah, there was one at the open where it hit it. That's the only problem too, is it doesn't take that many trades. I'd have to leave it overnight, which is fine. It's kind of why I got it, but I tend to only really trade the New York session. And honestly, I haven't been really trading a lot of evals. I think once I get ahead again this time, maybe I'll unleash it on an eval just to give it a chance. Not a bad idea, actually. Ooh, you need to go left, not right. Market is in 50-50 land right now. Debating whether it wants to go higher or lower. Oh, wait, Machado, you still... Oh, I think you ruined Nubby. Wait, no. Yeah, I was going to say, you're not going to have no speed. That was marble on marble crime. Oh, you did roll up there. That's funny. No way that makes it, but... Jason. Why does it say Shameless Fiona? Oh! Jason. Can Jason use his good looks? How about Gonzalez? What you got, Gonzalez? Yo, you just missed it. The real Donald's going to be too far left. Mr. Ever's going to be too slow. Wait, is this the third one or the second? I don't even remember. I feel like this is the third one. I think it's the third one. Because I don't think anyone made it on the first one. Oh! We'll do one more. I'm pretty sure that was the last one, but we'll do one more just because. Jason said, "Let me try again, please. Let me try again, pretty please." Dang, I should have just got out of now. Gave back 60 bucks already. No. I've been in that thing for way too long and I do not enjoy it. Not my favorite. Got greedy. I wanted to see if it would keep running. Did not. No. It's a brick house. Was GDT here today? I don't remember seeing him at all. David just showed me a not so great thing. Curious if he may have been anywhere near that. Bruno Lapilia Market Navigator! Dropping like flies. Haven't even got across the bridge. He plays zone risk. He play. Julian. Julian. Come on. I said I'll keep going as long as somebody makes it across. We're down to 4, 3, 2, 1. David, you're our last hope. David's our last hope. Nope, not today. So, honestly, I really think we're going to fake lower here. I think we're going to come nail this low, this current low at 750. I think we're going to slip through it, probably come retest this area, and then I think they're going to move it higher again. I think this is just a fake out. Hey, I think they just took the money out of the other accounts. Yep. So I could trade for some real money if I really, really, really wanted to, but I don't know if I want to, honestly, at this point. Because I'm already kind of out of it. So the fact that we're up this amount on this eval is pretty good. Ugh. Oh, you know what? I do need to flip this other eval at least. Let's do that real quick before I forget. Let's go over to the micros.
Order filled.
Get in short for this break. That's going to be a fake break. Just to prove I'm right. You know what? Since I'm only flipping, I'm just going to put a stop in.
Order
So now,
booking.
either we flip for a little bit or we somehow get the dump and we hold this thing forever and it just keeps going. Yeesh. Yeesh. You know what? I'm just going to get
Order
out.
filled.
Because why not? Might as well take a little bit of a stop. I should have did that with the NQ. All right. Kinda want to try to scalp this. Should have. Look at that. I would have passed right there on that little bounce. Well, they didn't just, I mean, they did come down to that area like I said. We'll see if it was a fake out or not.
Of dad jokes and puns. Let's give it up for Emery and Braden.
Welcome to our amazing act. I'm Braden. And I'm Emery. Together we make comedy and magic. The sad part is that only one of us is truly a magician. Sometimes the road is broken, but we just keep on holding on. The future is unhaunted. We do our best to stay strong. No space in time. What's yours is mine. The burden heals inside. I'll be your guide. Have faith and try to see the light in the darkness. So I want you more than anybody else. I hold you when you're going through hell. I love you more than anybody else. Anybody else. Anybody else. I want you more than anybody else. I hold you when you're going through hell. I love you more than anybody else. Anybody else. Anybody.
Order filled.
Hey, hey. All right, I'm just gonna get out of here. I was only gonna get back or look for a trade. I told you this was gonna be a fake out. You heard it here first. I literally said they were gonna break this area, come down, retest this area, and then rip it higher. But all right, that's not financial advice, by the way. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Peace.